So hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about typecasting and about one function which is denoted as type. So what is typecasting? Basically we use typecasting to specify the data type of our variable, or typecasting is also used for the conversion of data type of variable from one type to other. Like if you want to convert the data type of any variable, we use typecasting. Okay, so we will now see how can we run the program, how can we run our program like such. So let us see. So now if I write a function as x is equals to str3. So you know that 3 is an integer type value which is assigned to a variable x. So x is a integer type variable, but since I have used the str before the value, so it is now, x is now becomes as a string variable. Okay, so now if I write x is equals to str3 and y is equals to int 5 and z equals to float 6. Okay, so now x will not be as such. Now if I write a comment to make you understand as such, that x will be an integer string type. Okay, so now x will become as a string type and y y will be 5 and another comment which denotes as z will be 6.0 because it is now become as float variable. So for better understanding of yours, I have written like this. So now what is type function? If you want to get the data type of any variable, so you use the type function. Like if I write here as type, and after this if I write x, then it will show me the result of variable x which is of what data type. So now if I run it like that, printing as such, now if I run it, so now it will show me the result as class str because now x become of data type string. Okay, so now if I run it, yeah, you can see class str will be our output. Now in the same way, if you want to know the data type of variable z and variable y, we can write in the same way as the previous one, print type y and print type z. So what it will show you as the output? It will show you the output as class str, class int and class float. So now if I run the program, yeah, can you see? So it usually denotes you the type. If you want to know the type of any variable, you use the function type in Python language. Okay. And for denoting the string, you need not to use only single quotes, but you can also use double quotes to define a string. Like if I want to declare a variable having the value as hello with just single quote. It is also defined as a string in Python language. So if we use double quotes or single quotes, it means the same in Python, which is a string. So now if let me take another variable as I have already taken. Let me take it as a. And now if I print